check it out. So I have no idea what this building is, but I have seen it here abandoned on Street View as far back as you can go. In a recent time, they put this trailer out here, this Browning trailer. And in even more recent time, they opened the door somehow. Or the door has been opened. Recently, anyway. And sadly, once that door was open, this place got completely trashed. Because it wasn't until recently that all this glass in the windows has been shattered. You're starting to see the spray paint. So, I'm not sure what the plans are for this structure. I mean, obviously it's probably just going to be demolished. Because, Lebanon, Indiana, where this is at, is it's going to be expanding. It's been booming a lot, especially around this area. And, so I suspect that, this is probably going to be demolished and probably going to be who knows what's going to be back here. It is like pretty near like a truck stop area, so you got me, man. I just know this thing has been abandoned for over 20 years at least. It's pretty crazy, but it's just been sitting back here forever, just rotting away. Now I see some Visa and MasterCard. Gosh, so much glass everywhere. But I see a Visa and MasterCard sign there, so it had to have been like a type of business here. Got like a fan, ceiling fan up there. Yeah. So since it's right next to the interstate, I'm not gonna stick around for too long, but just been endlessly curious of what this building was. Always passing by it. Now I get to finally check it out, I guess. Doesn't seem like there's too much to it, but just something interesting to see before it's inevitably demolished, which could be any moment now. For all I know, at any moment you'll see some bulldozer pull up down that road right there. Could you imagine? It's like, oh, don't do it yet. You got somebody inside. Yeah. Very interesting, though. This old Speedway Cup here. Well, that has to have been from recent time because, it's just a Samsung Galaxy. Somebody's case protection. Sheesh. This place is entirely trashed already, though. I mean, it may have been a little trashed before it became open up and exposed, but for all I know. What's going on back here? Yeah, so who knows what this could have been? Just like some landscaping place, maybe something construction related. Looks like a house, something here. Interesting. Yeah, probably just some farm equipment back when Lebanon was a lot smaller. Hard saying. Hard to find information about it because as far back as you can go on Street View from I-65, it's just still abandoned. So it's been abandoned for quite a while. It's just a bunch of junk back here. Over 20 years. Just 20 years of junk. Yeah, finally got to check it out though. Yeah, it's just I-65 right there. It looks like there's a path that goes back this way. I don't know if it would really lead to anywhere. It looks like it leads, yeah, somewhere. That's just a field out here. Yeah, it's just a farm field. Ugh. Yeah, I don't think there's really... Oh wait, check this out. There's something back here. What on earth is this thing? What kind of weird contraption is that? Maybe it's like train related, maybe. Yeah, what a weird contraption. I can't even really make out what it was. This could be a farm equipment. It could be anything. Right now it's just a pile of junk. It's interesting all the weird crap you can find just going into the tree line of some field. It really is. Well, alright. Alright, so here's the other side. Yeah, my guess it was probably just housing some type of equipment. Some type of construction equipment, some type of farm, agricultural. Yeah, something of that nature. And for whatever reason, they just abandoned it and put, just went elsewhere with it. So, yeah, that's this place, man. And for whatever reason, Browning is involved with whatever's going to be happening here. Or they just felt like parking their trailer here. Who knows why. Well, yeah, this is really recent right there. The graffiti. And yeah, I mean, naughty here, I guess. All this windows, spray paint, that wasn't here before. Well, still, pretty interesting. Looks like you can go inside here. I brought my flashlight. Yeah, just a garage. Not really anything going on here. Well, there you go, something short and sweet. So, I'll see you on the next one. Like what you see, hit that subscribe button, and I'm out of here.